डे 3, दैट मीन्स जब आप स्क्रीन इन हो गए, ठीक, आपका चेस्ट नंबर बदल गया, डे 2 पे आए, डे 2 पे साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट खत्म हुआ, डे 3 स्टार्ट्स एट 5:30/6 AM इन द मॉर्निंग इन GTO ग्राउंड। जितने कैंडिडेट स्क्रीन इन हुए थे सब लोग ग्राउंड पे आ गए। बोर्ड के जो GTO साहब थे वो लोग आ गए, और इंडियन आर्मी के बोर्ड्स में 10-10 बंदों का ग्रुप हो गया, एयरफोर्स/नेवी में 8-8 बंदों का ग्रुप बन गया। GTO साहब और 8 बंदों का ग्रुप, ये एक ग्रुप हो गया, दूसरे 8 बंदे GTO साहब दूसरा ग्रुप, तीसरा ग्रुप, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स विच आर स्क्रीन्ड इन। डे 3 and day 4 will be dedicated to GTO tasks. There would be in total 9 tasks, in which day 3 would comprise of 6 tasks and day 4 would comprise of 3 tasks. 6 plus 3. ठीक? In between these 2 days, you will be called for your interview also. So, in these 2 days, GTO and interview would go parallelly. Clear? Now that GTO साहब ग्राउंड पे कुछ टास्क कराएंगे, GTO process starts early in the morning. The first task is group discussion. There would be 2 group discussions. The first group discussion would comprise of 2 topics. Within the group, you will be given 2 topics. Each topic would be supported by 3 leads, A, B and C. Mind you, all the 3 leads are correct. There is nothing that one lead is more important than the other lead. All the 3 leads are important. However, it is expected from the candidates to choose one lead and keep speaking on that lead till the end of GD. Each group discussion will be held for 15 to 20 minutes. Approximate time, average time is 18 minutes. During this 18 minutes, it is important that you engaged amongst yourselves and you do not try and look at GTO Saab. It is expected that in this leaderless task, you emerge as a leader. Thus, it is important that you be engrossed in the group. Within the group, proper eye language should be maintained. Proper body language should be maintained. Remember, the first round of group discussion generally revolves around current affairs or general knowledge topics. So, those candidates, those students who keep on reading newspapers, whose general awareness is good, they are the ones who are performers here. It is expected that you become a leader and you do not dictate a group, thus pointing fingers, unnecessarily pointing actions should be avoided. It is also expected that in this leaderless task, you give a fair chance to those people who are not able to communicate. In such a condition, if you have spoken in good substantial amount, you may push the other candidate to speak. Generally, there is a myth that in group discussions, Hindi can be used. Trust me, if you want to crack SSB interviews, it is expected that you speak in English. There is a fair condition wherein while communicating, you might not be able to speak a word or a two in English. You may jump to Hindi, however, bounce back. The pace at which you bounce back matters. During your group discussion, if you are giving a statement and the statement is in Hindi, it's okay. However, remember, official language of armed forces is English. There is a myth because of social media, because of misguidance, there is a myth कि SSB यार हिंदी में भी चल जाएगी. वो व्यूज के लिए है, वो चैनल को प्रमोट करने के लिए है. बट अल्टीमेटली अगर सर्विसेज सिलेक्शन बोर्ड इंटरव्यू में recommended candidates की लिस्ट में होना है, then official language of armed forces should be used, then English language should be used. During your second round of GD, there won't be options given to you. There won't be any options given to you. So you have to, the GTO Saab will giving you a statement followed by 3 leads, and you would immediately start the discussion. The second topic is generally an easy topic. Remember, during this group discussion task, GTO Sahab is forming an opinion. Thus, this is opinion forming tasks. GTO Sahab is not coming to any conclusion that Phalana chest number is a good speaker, Phalana chest number is a good speaker. He is just forming an opinion. This is first task. अभी 8 टास्क और बाकी हैं. ओपिनियन फॉर्मिंग टास्क जो होते हैं जीटीओ के, वो होते हैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन, जिसमें से पहला होता है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स, व्हाई 2 GDs आर देयर? देयर इज अ फेयर चांस दैट विद इन द ग्रुप 1-2 बंदे ऐसे होंगे जिनकी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी होगी, जिनको माहौल बहुत अच्छा मिला होगा, जिनको एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा मिला होगा, और वो ग्रुप को डोमिनेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ऐसे केस में equal opportunity should be given to each and every candidate. Thus, there are 2 rounds of group discussion. Remember, since this is opinion forming task, it is important that you frame a good opinion. Thus, proper body language, proper hand gestures, proper expressions, and most important part is proper use of examples. Using simply the leads won't fetch you any good marks until and unless you throw certain examples on it. हर लीड को प्रूफ करने के लिए अगर तुमने कोई एग्जाम्पल दिया तो तुम्हारे बात को तवज्जो दी जाएगी, तुम्हें वेटेज दी जाएगी. जब तुम्हें वेटेज दी जाएगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली you will stand out of the crowd. This is naturally performing task. Do not try and gain attention of GTO Sahab. बनावटी तरीके इसमें काम नहीं करेंगे. It has to be natural approach. Until and unless it's a natural approach, it won't be a win-win situation for you. So always remember that you have to naturally perform in the way that there is no GTO Sahab looking at you. GTO Sahab is not in the picture at all. Never ever are you going to face the GTO Sahab in this task. You will face the group members, you will talk, you will push the candidate who is trying to speak and is not able to communicate because of the language barrier. I hope the things are clear. I hope the briefing is clear. Chalo, let us now start the practice once again. Clear? Any doubts? Sure? Chalo. Thank you. Let's start again.
Their defense, their all the things, and we will lag behind them because of our manufacturing will be slow.
Gentlemen, I want to add in some points. You are talking about that China has this so much developed from a nation because of they are using so much information
but
technology.
I like to add a point.
From
like
other,
in the late 90s,
So 100 rupees to 1000 rupees tak, in every area.
I would like to add whether an IT sector is a service sector or a physical based sector. IT is definitely a service sector. So how is your IT sector going to help the manufacturing sector?
like I explained, even today, what we need today is our jobs and also to recover any
In
from
today's
poverty.
era, the most profound degree is BTech in India. So they all are basically providing the job regarding to IT. If you talk about the computer science and other
Sir,
branches,
I like to argue, like all the BTech degrees are only for IT sectors. None
No,
of them are for
I'm
manufacturers.
not saying that, but most of the degrees which are offered by the universities, they provide the IT sector, and the number of jobs and number of applicants get recommended for the job are basically from the IT
You are
sector.
suggesting that
And the sector will increase.
raw material which is very cheap, so we can made a product from raw material and we can export, so we can get more money, and this is help in overall
Just
the
number, I
development.
think you
Number
don't
five.
know how much
But,
income
if you
tax,
talk about the
are imported on the export. Though we are going out of the topic, but the reality is the tax imposed by the government is too high in the import and export duty.
As we also know, there is a free
manufacture-
trade agreement
I like to
which
argue
has
that
been occurring
what
in
are
my
the basic of the
Before
taxes
independence,
like
we
on the
have
export?
also raw material, but we have not
I would like to
technology.
argue that.
So our goods are gone through British and become.
Number 3, I would like to argue नहीं होता, I would like to quote, बस कुछ नहीं
Counter
argue
quote,
नहीं,
sir.
counter कर दो, कुछ बोल के नहीं counter करना है. GD is supposed to be counter only.
So मतलब सब बिना बोले मतलब suppose
बोलो बोलो बिल्कुल बोलो, yes.
I want to ask one thing.
And if you see
What-
in the China, there is a famous IT sector hub which is in the Keepong. There is a city named Keepong which is currently present in China.
And
It
what
is so
does-
famous for IT sector,
And
and
what
they are
does
generating
China
so
have
much
that we
high
don't
revenue
have?
from these
I would like to
IT
ask you,
sector.
what
If
does
we
China
will
have
not
that we
increase
don't
our
have? A
manufacturing,
high-speed
we will
transit
not
network
increase
that
our
we
boost
don't
our
have. We
economy.
don't have a better connectivity all over the country. If you don't have a connectivity, how will you increase the share of data? How can the logistics
You
sector
can
that
share data through transmissions.
in
In
physical
India,
data,
as you
physical
know,
transportation,
all, I
Towers,
think
satellites.
just
you
number
can share
10,
physical
data.
transfer of data, transfer of people, transfer of logistics. That is a definitely a sector that needs an infrastructure upgrade. And the road and transport minister Nitin Gadkari quoted that the future India will definitely develop if and until you invest in the infrastructure of the country.
I agree with you, gentlemen. I agree with you, Chest.
बोलो 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 अर्जुन बोलो.
By mistake. I agree with your point, gentlemen, but I want to add some extra points. Like you have said that we have to make infrastructure development.
Yes.
But we can take the help of the IT sector for making infrastructures. It can also make easier, because if you make a blueprint
Just
on
number
your
10, I
computer
like
screens
to
or
make a point. Like the topic was how can we reach to the point of China in the case of development. And as we can see in the last 30 years, the growth of China is incredibly awesome. And it's all due to their increase in the budget in the manufacturing sector. As we all know, the amount of the resources.
How should you build the infrastructure without manufacturing? Without manufacturing, infrastructure will not be done. And we know that we will import most of the items in building the infrastructure from the world. So we
Infrastructure is
should,
not a physical aspect. It comprises of the both digital and physical. So we should have the technology to build it.
so please
I
give me
think-
some example.
To develop a better infrastructure, you should have a better connectivity, a road, rail, and intermodal connectivity.
For building the road, how much machines we need. And today
we will
are
export
exporting.
from
And
the
machines
world.
are infrastructure that you need.
Yes, definitely. And we are exporting those machines from the foreign countries, which are reducing the money and we make. While when we are focusing on the manufacturing sector, it will make money and the economy of India will ultimately boost, so that we could come into the stage so that we could compare with China.
Just number
We have to-
3, I
gentlemen,
am
we have to
agree
give
with your
others
point,
chance.
but I think India has the cheapest internet facility. It is because of IT sector.
I
Because
deviate you, sorry, but India is not cheapest internet today. India is one of the best in the internet because the 4G is launched and so many countries do not have any 4G. They work and India is working on 5G today.
as you know that India is a developing country, but it is not a developed.
Yes.
So we have to be developed in a country.
and
We will develop
India is
when
a
we
big
increase
biggest
our manufacture.
cheapest things.
We will develop when we increase our manufacture because without increasing our manufacture, we should not get the employment.
But we can also work on our IT sectors, because it also
We
makes a major impact on a country.
Yes, I know that IT is important, but increasing our
If you talk
manufacture
about
is
artificial intelligence, you will see that there are so many huge things which can do artificial intelligence. If you
But-
talk about the
but my
artificial
friend,
drones,
I like to argue
we are
that
using in
we are
Indian
comparing
armies.
with China, and we are seeing that in the late 1980s and early 1990s, the China has seen an incredible growth. But it was not due to the IT sector; it was due to their manufacturing sectors. As the China purely focused on their manufacturing sector, which allowed them to increase the per capita income of their country. And even today, we can see that China is comparing to a developed nation because they are having
But
a
if
per
if
capita
you
income.
see
My
the China is
generation
also
of
a
India
dictator
is-
country. It is
Just
not
number
a
10, I
government
think
country.
the present condition of India.
see
that is not
Yes,
related
there is
to the
also a
sector.
difference
That if you are
in the
investing
manufacturing, we
more
should
on
get employment to the non-educated Indians also.
Just number 3, I would like to ask whether we should invest on the mass production or mass production or specific production.
The manufacturing sector focus both on the mass production as well as the quality production. In the manufacturing sectors, it includes every type of productions. Like we are using iPhone. It was way cheaper today,
IT
but it
sector
was
made the
expensive.
iPhone, na? IT sector developed
Like
the
we
iPhone.
have to
the
develop
topic
the
was to compare with China.
We have to
We
give
are
others
lacking-
chance, gentlemen, also.
And how will you give the employment to the uneducated Indians? मतलब बिना पढ़े लिखे कैसे दोगे?
Definitely, I like
New
to add a
infrastructure
point.
projects that definitely help in providing
I
the high-speed
agree
project
with
that
you.
is currently going on has 4,000 permanent and 20,000 non-temporary jobs that it has provided in the state of
And we should
Gujarat and
increase,
Maharashtra.
when we increase our manufacture, we should also we give employment to
Time
the
up,
non-educated.
time up.
अब डिफेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना हुआ और भी आसान। त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी लेकर आए हैं बिल्कुल ही एडवांस लर्निंग ऐप। तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें और स्टार्ट करें अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।